Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover the TestNG XML file. Okay, so let's get started. So in TestNG you can define multiple test cases in a single file, whereas in Java you can define only one test in a single class in the main method. In Java you want to create one more test, then you need to create another Java file and define the test in main method. So what we have to do, multiple tests we can give. So here multiple tests we have given. Okay, test 1 will print test 1, test 2 will print test 2. That is test we have put. Okay, see, and now we have run it. So like this result we have got. Now we need to create a XML file. We have right click on the project TestNG and convert to TestNG. Okay, then now here we can click on finish. Okay, so it's asking for to import and then click on finish. Okay, so this file is being created. Okay, now this type of file will come. So day 1 and module 1, what is this? Okay, so day 1 is a package name and module 1 is our class. Like this, day 1 module 1, day 1 module 2. So day 1 dot module 1, day 1 dot module 2, and it is in our personal loan and suit name is loan. So like this it will come. So let me check, like in our Eclipse also we can create it. Okay, so I have already created this folder. Okay, now I am going to the TestNG, convert to TestNG. Then will take some time. So all the classes which I am having now under this folder, com, test, selenium, these all I will show you the test files. Okay, next, so like this import, it is saying we will import, we will click. So here this file are created. Now you can see, so com, test dot selenium, and there is all files are there. Okay, so initially it takes root name as suit and test name is test. Okay, now by here clicking on here and run as, you can do test suit. So all the test cases will run. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, please do comment. Okay, and subscribe my channel, do like my video, do share. Thank you, bye bye.